Cultivating plants. It's one of the oldest things we've done as a species. The colors come alive in the spring in a slow motion show as a seedling grows up, develops a bud, which turns into a blossom. We get to enjoy the blossom only a short while, but the show doesn't have to end when the blossom wilts. It contains the seeds for another episode. Despite the simplicity of gardening, many of us haven't taken the time to enjoy a garden, let alone grow one. That's why in the next episode of our Zoom Open Hours, Master Gardener Louise Sloan presents Growing Patience. She'll guide us into realistic garden planning to fit your lifestyle, be it your next show of foliage, or fresh herbs for your palate, or vegetables for your diet. Join us on Thursday, February 10th at 2 or 6 Pacific time. Register with the link below. Gotta run.